What a lot of people don't know is that back in the 1950s, Canada and the United States were developing a flying saucer, the Avro Canada V7 BZ9 Avrocar. It didn't get very far off the ground, metaphorically and literally, and supposedly it was retired in the early 1960s. One of these theories is that this production continued under top secret wraps, and UFOs are just advanced secret government crafts. I mean, after all, this would be almost 80 years of development. Another theory is that with the invention of drones and them being available for public consumption, maybe these are just advanced drones that are kept under wraps, which would explain some of the wild movements of these crafts that seem impossible. Impossible in the sense that if there were people on board and the way these crafts make these sharp turns and speed off and shoot up, it seems like it would kill everybody on board if there were people on board. This might tie into government involvement, and these crafts are merely remote controlled. But I don't know if this accounts for all the sightings, because shockingly, these sightings have been going on for a very long time. A lot of people are led to believe that it just exploded in the 1950s with these types of encounters. But if you go back far enough, you will go all the way back to ancient times.